Grasshopper is an outdoor 1988 copper sculpture by Wayne Chabre, located in Salem, Oregon, United States. Description and history. Wayne Chabre's Grasshopper, dedicated in 1988, depicts an insect of the same name, mounted in a head-down position on the exterior brick wall of a building at 455 Court Street, Northeast. The brazed copper sculpture measures 5 feet, 1.5 meters, x 2.5 feet, 0.76 meters, by 2 feet, 0.61 meters. It was surveyed and considered treatment needed by the Smithsonian Institution's Save Outdoor Sculpture program in August 1993, and was administered by the City of Salem's Community Development Department at that time. See also 1988 in art. Grasshopper sculpture at waymarking.